Hello, everybody. Happy Monday. I just wanted to do a quick check-in with you guys since I didn't do a video last week. I just wanted to say I'm very disappointed that our time together this semester was cut short. I was hoping that maybe we'd get back together before the end of the year, but unfortunately, that's not happening. So I wanted to say thank you for all the work that you did while we were in class, working really hard on those bridge projects. And thank you for the work that you're doing at home, getting those assignments turned in on a regular basis. So this week you're going to be learning about the 1920s. You have a couple of assignments to work on. And if you have any questions, don't forget, reach out to myself or Mr. Rico, and we'll get those questions answered. And I will talk to you guys soon. Have a great day.